Hey guys, how y'all been doing? In today's video, I am going to show you how you can factory reset your iPhone. So, in this video, you will know how you can do it by yourself. The first thing, click on the settings icon and then click on your iCloud name. After that, I'm gonna look for my phone since I'm using my iCloud for different devices. So, choose your iPhone. After that, click on make sure iCloud backup is on and you did the last backup before you do the factory reset. So click iCloud backup and click backup now. Or if you did that before, that's good. It's gonna show you the date. So after you do the backup, go back to the settings menu and choose general. So we're gonna go up and click general. Now go all the way down and click transfer and reset iPhone. Now all you have to do is follow the steps. It's really easy, guys. There is nothing to worry about. All you have to do now is click erase all content and settings and click continue. So this method will erase all your informations. You gotta make sure that you don't have anything important or you did a backup before you do that. And after that, you can give away your iPhone or like you trade it if you want. So once you click continue, it's gonna ask you to do a few steps and you're gonna be able to do the factory reset without any problem. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, you can comment below this video and I will do my best to help. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can contact us on our official website, theinternetmula.com, or our Discord server. Thank you.